So hello everyone, and today I will be discussing you the questions of June Zipmas June 2020. So first of all, Garrot's tetrad is seen in which disease? So the answer was alkaptonuria. In gluconeogenesis, step stimulating pyruvate kinase step of glycolysis is pyruvate carboxylate step. The full form of VNTR was asked. The variable number of tandem repeats was the answer. Now, insulin independent glucose uptake is occurs where? So it occurs in the skeletal muscles. Now, most characteristic feature of von Gog's disease. So the features are fasting hypoglycemia and hyperuricemia. So the answer was hyperuricemia, and the options there was fasting hyperglycemia and hyperuricemia. So answer is hyperuricemia. Now 6 year old child with fever for 7 days, sore throat for 2 days, whitish oropharyngeal deposit surrounded by the red areola. Diagnosis is herpengina. So this is very diagnostic that it is surrounded by the red alveolar, the oropharyngeal deposits. So now the next question was which of the following is not an indication in NBSU? So apnea, hypothermia, hyperthermia is greater than 38.8, and central cyanosis. So hyperthermia greater than 37.5 is the correct thing. 38.8 is not the correct answer. So 32 to 34 weeks baby is known as. So they were mild, moderate, and severe preterm. So the answer is moderate preterm. This is very important. Remember this, 32 to 34 weeks. Now, child with lethargy and sunken eyes and delayed skin pinch, severe vomiting since 2 years. What will be the next step? So, severe vomiting and delayed skin pinch. The next step is immediately IV fluids. No doubt about it. Now the next step is 3 month old, sorry, next question. 3 month old infant with complicated UTI is on IV antibiotics. So the investigations needed to be done is less than in so the basic concept is less than 1 years all investigations are done. So the see the age in the question, 3 months old, it is less than 1 year. So USG, DMSA, and MCU will be done. Now 18 months old child with nephrotic syndrome vaccine given. Which vaccine will be given? So this is the concept again. Have to apply the concept here. In less than 2 years, PCV13 is given. So the answer is PCV13. The vaccine given is PCV13. Now 5 year old child with bilateral congested conjunctiva, lip and tongue erythema, and periungual desquamation. So this is very characteristic of Kawasaki disease, that congested conjunctiva, lip and tongue erythema, and periungual desquamation. This is Kawasaki disease. Now febrile status epilepticus last for, this is a direct line from Nelson, and febrile status epilepticus lasts for 30 minutes. Now 6 year old female presented with fever 7 days and jaundice for 3 days and large spleen. Smear is plasma vivax trophozoites are seen in the smear, and HB is seen 5, hemoglobin and bilirubin is 5.2. So what will be the treatment? What will be the drug given? So chloroquine will be the answer. Now neonatal jaundice with normal GGT is seen in, so this is a very direct question, familial intrahepatic cholestasis type 1. It is seen with normal GGT in cholestasis type 1. Now hepatosplenomegaly plus Clear-Hall-Batke test is positive. So the what will be the diagnosis? So Clear-Hall-Batke test is a quantitative test for feto-maternal hemorrhage. It is very important. You can check my notes also. The clinical bed kit test is a quantitative test for feto-maternal hemorrhage. Now next question which was asked, myotonic dystrophy, wrong statement. Which is the wrong statement? So type 2 has proximal myopathy. It is correct. It is decrease in severity in subsequent generations. Frontal balding in headshot face. All are right except the B, increase in severity in subsequent generations. Now the question again, male child consanguous marriage, family history of renal failure with lentiginous with hearing loss. What will be the diagnosis? It is no doubt Alport syndrome. This is very characteristic of Alport syndrome. Now, first sign of puberty in female child. What is the first sign of puberty in female child? Enlargement of breast. Now, which of the following is not seen in Klippel-Feil syndrome? So, severe restriction of mobility in cervical joint, it is seen. Low hairline is seen. Bilateral webbed neck is seen. What is not seen is shortened sternomastoid. Sorry, sternocleidomastoid. So, shortened sternocleidomastoid is not seen. Now, 5 months old child with consanguine child with severe vomiting and white appearance in the eyes, diagnosis is galactosemia. Among the options, the answer is galactosemia. Now, 8 month old child and cough for 5 days, respiratory rate 58 per minute, chest in rowing plus bilateral bronchi, no fever, bilateral hyperinflamed lungs. What will be the diagnosis? So the students were confused in pneumonia and bronchiolitis. So there is no fever and hyperinflamed lungs and cough, respiratory rate is high, 8 month old child, so it is bronchiolitis, which is acute type. This is the case of acute bronchiolitis and not pneumonia. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for new updates.